Alright, so we're here in Kansas and we have to hold off the rest of the field to take the flag. Okay. Looks like the car's loose as crap. I have to beat Casey Kane. This is easy. Oh, shoot. Man, I'm getting damn boost. I play. Oh, shoot. Man, I got in the dang ball. Whoa, and there's telemetry. Holy sheep crap on the shingle. Oh, come on. Dang it. Whoa. Holy crap. I hate being Jimmy Johnson. Maybe that's why I'm messing up so much. No! Idiots! Man. God dang it, man. Jeez. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Or it may. And this is a medium challenge. I haven't had a challenge yet for the telemetry. Jeez. White flag. Come on, I want to beat the dang ghost car. The ghost car, not the coast car. No. He's not going to take me out. You're not going to put me in the wall either. Yes, he didn't put me in the wall. But I hit the wall. Take it. I don't care. I'm going to the inside, and I'm gonna wreck you out. Ooh. Oh. This is gonna take a while. Alright, let's ride on Bud. Turn, piece of trash! Oh no! Whoa! Oh, thank God! I gotta save. What a save! No! What a fail! Oh yeah, he's right on my butt, and he almost put me in the wall. This will take a whole night. I don't give a crap. Watch your rear. Whoa. Okay. Alright, now let's go, little boy. Don't you dare! You idiot. Oh, good. Give me that push. White flag. That's all I need. Ooh, Kane got in the wall. Okay, hang on 1 second. Okay. Oh! Man, I just missed the wall. Oh, crap it. I don't give a crap. I'm gonna go right into the wall into Casey Kane. No, I definitely won't make it, but I'll hit Kenton. No, and I didn't hit Kenton. Jeez, man. This will take a long time. Man, I gotta finish this now. My battery's almost dead. G. Come on, get past him. No! Okay, I had to brake. You're just gonna put me in the dang wall, man. Jeez. There we go. I needed that push. Come on! I'm trying. Jeez. I'm trying. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I got a chance. Come on. No, no, no. Yes. No! Dang it! I had a shot and I blew it. It's the same crap every time. Alright, go down. Gas it, slow, gas it.
Countdown, here we go, one more time. We're on the inside. Stay on the bottom. Looking high.
Alright, we'll just let him go if he gets past us until the final corner. Alright, we'll just let him go until the final turn. Alright. No, this isn't how I planned it! Oh! Oh, yes! Come on! Come on! Come on! Dang it! Gosh, darn it! Come on, I gotta beat him. Brake, slow. Yes! Excuse me.
What we work for, you got it.
Alright, we gotta work for this. Kane didn't get in the wall again. Take it. Come on. I'm half a second ahead. Alright, now I'm 4/10 of a second. 3. Oh no, I'm at 2. Yes, I got it. I think. I hope so. Oh no, I got it in the wall. But it doesn't matter. Yeah! I'm winning again. Oh yeah.